Well, hello everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make a picture in your blog expandable to a bigger one. Let's say we want to use like maybe a small picture in our blog, but we want to give people the option to click on and make it bigger. Okay, so there's other ways to do it, but here's the easiest way, I think. Let's just review of how to make, say, text into like a link. Okay, so first you start off with whatever words you want in the text, and I'm starting off here. I've got an image just dropped in there that I type, but let's not worry about that yet. We'll use it in a second. So let's just say hello. Those are the words we want to make into a link. So we are going to enclose those in brackets, the ones that you don't shift, the square looking ones. And then we're going to put the link that we want to use in these parentheses. Now here, let's say this is the link I want to use. This whole thing is what comes up when you drop an image into your blog. All we want to do is use a short part here that is inside the parentheses here. So we'll just take that and we will copy it. And we'll put it in. We could have grabbed their parentheses, but just so you see what I'm doing, put a parenthesis on the end. So now when we go down, we're going to have our word, and it's going to show now. Steam's put this thing here, but now let's open it and click over here, and now you see it's a big image, right? Okay. So let's do the same thing with making the image instead of the word what we're going to click on. So again, what we can do is take out the hello, and what we want is this image, this whole dress. Just take it all, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to drop it in here. Okay. So now we're going to have a second image down there that looks the same as the top one. But the second image, unlike the top one here, you see it doesn't go to it stays an arrow. Here it goes to the finger, and it's saying this link will take you away. And what we could do to test it, or you can just click on it and it goes there. Then you got to come back to it. Okay, so now what we want to do is get fancy. We want the picture that's going to serve as the link to be small, but we want it to open up big. So what we want to do is grab this steemitimages.com, and we're going to copy, and we're going to come right here and paste it. But we don't want this low parenthesis there, so take that out. And we want to do a slash. Now this is where we set how big it is. So let's say for this example, we'll do 300 by X 300, and now in our slash. So now when we scroll down, we should have a smaller picture, right? That would go in your blog nice maybe, and then you can click on it and it takes you to the full size. So it's kind of a cumbersome way to do it, but it works. It makes little things clickable. So you can do words, you can do images, you can do images and the words if you wanted to. You could add some words in there. Let's say we wanted to add Click to make big. And you can have that there. It's kind of cool. Or let's say we could take out that size. Delete that, and our thing goes back to big. And you see then the word it puts at the bottom. So it's kind of just a handy little thing, I think. And let me know if you guys like any further tutorials or whatever. I appreciate your time. We'll see yas.